grown with me forever. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ariba Khan from 9E NHS Eduri. Today we are here for an education excursion in Rajasthan from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer. We visited many places here like Mehrangarh Fort, Jaswant-Thara, War Museum and Sam Desert. In Sam Desert we experienced jeep riding, camel riding, paragliding, and these experiences were amazing. And I am personally loving the Rajasthani culture and traditional and the whole Rajasthan. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Swastik Singh studying in New Horizon Public School in grade 9th. Today I will be talking about the excursion. The trip started from 9th of January and it is still 14th of January. We started our trip from Bandra terminus taking a train towards Jodhpur. After 15 hours we reached Jodhpur. Everyone is enjoying the view. Everyone is happy and playing around. The arrangements are very well done. And I'm enjoying the trip really much. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Aditya Singh from 9th I. I knew the Rajasthan Royals team and wondered why it was called so. Then I got to visit the Umaid Bhawan Palace and Desert Palace Hotel. I also visited the sand dunes where I had a lot of fun at the Joyrides. Also, I had a really proud moment at the War Memorial where we had a lot of fun. Overall, this has been a great trip and I would like to thank my school for bringing us on such a memorable trip. Thank you, New Horizon Public School, for bringing us to Jaisalmer and Jodhpur.
I'm Navya and I'm from NHP School. I am on an excursion to Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and it is day 3 of my excursion. I have been to Mehrangarh Fort, War Museum, Garisar Lake, etc. In War Museum, I learned the stories of the soldiers who sacrificed their life for India, and also saw a lot of monuments which were inspiring. In Mehrangarh Fort, there was a room filled with 35 kg of gold, which was very intriguing to see. In Umaid Bhawan, I got to know the story of all the royal family members and their history, and which was very interesting to hear too. These are all the things I have seen till now in my excursion.
Everyone, I am Navya Yogesh from New Horizon Public School, and we are on an excursion to Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. We have visited many places in Jodhpur as well as Jaisalmer, but I have to declare that one of the best places was definitely Jaswant-Thara. Jaswant-Thara is an exquisite white marble monument in Jodhpur. It was built in the memory of Maharaja Sardar Singh's father, who was Maharaja Jaswant Singh. It serves as a cremation ground for the royal Rajput families. It is a true representation of traditional Rajasthani architecture.
My name is Kiran Gatkari, and right now we are for an educational excursion trip in Rajasthan. Day before yesterday we were in Jodhpur and we went to the Mehrangarh Fort. It was a really historical fort and we saw the historical weapons used in the past in the wars. Then we went to Jaswant-Thara. It was an amazing museum. Then we went, now we are in Jaisalmer and we went to the War Museum where we learned about the wars that took place in the past. I am really loving this and this is really thrilling experience. Thank you.
My name is Jia Jain. I am from 90. So today I am going to share my experience of our excursion trip. So day before yesterday we visited Mehrangarh Fort. There I got to know about the Rajasthani culture and tradition. It was a great experience. Then we visited Jaswant-Thara. There are many monuments and the monuments were very beautiful. I loved all the things. Thank you.
My name is Arnab Patel. I'm from grade 9 and we had came to a trip of Jaisalmer. First we visited Mehrangarh Fort. It was really majestic. It was really majestic. Right now we are in Jaisalmer, living in a very royal palace. Its name, hotel name is Desert Palace. Today we also visited to the sand dunes and we had camel rides, paramotor gliding. We also went to Jaswant-Thara. The people in Jaswant-Thara, it was a memorial for the king, and the people in Cecil worship the king. I am very happy to come to this trip, and I would like to thank my school. And I would like to visit this Jodhpur Jaisalmer also. Thank you.
This is Alfred Manson. I am from 9th Group H. We enjoyed a lot in this excursion. First we went to Mehrangarh Fort and so the armory is there. Then we went to Jashwantada. Then we saw an amazing view of the lake. Then we went to Golden Fort, then Gadisar Lake, Sam Desert. In Sam Desert we did a camel rides, ATV rides, jeep rides and paramotoring. We enjoyed a lot in this excursion because mostly of our teacher Ashok sir and my friends. Thank you sir, and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are on our school trip in Rajasthan. Day before yesterday, we reached Jodhpur where we visited Mehrangarh Fort, Jaswant-Thara and Umaid Bhawan,
where we enjoy learning things about the kings and the culture of Jodhpur.
Yesterday, we reached Jaisalmer after a journey of 6 hours and then visited Jaisalmer War Museum and Gadisar Lake.
Today we visited Sand Desert where we had a great time having a camel ride. We're not only learning things about the kings and culture of Jodhpur and Jaisalmer, but with our teachers and friends, we're definitely learning life skills which will be useful in the future.
We are definitely having a very great time with our friends and teachers in Rajasthan.
My name is Manasvi.
And my name is Soumya.
We are from NHPS grade 9R. So our school had planned an excursion cum education trip to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer.
We learned a lot from this trip and currently we are at the Golden Fort, Jaisalmer, also known as Sonar Killa.
This is the second largest living fort in Jaisalmer.
This fort, the residents of this fort comprise of 80% Brahmins and 20% Rajputs.
Almost 4,000 people are living in this fort currently
This fort was made around 800 years ago by Maharaja Jaisal Bhati.
and is completely made up of stones and has only one gate.
With this, we conclude our excursion trip to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer.
Thank you.
Prithvi Joshi from New Horizon Public School, Airoli. We are here on an excursion to Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. The first site we visited was the Mehrangarh Fort. It was a great fort. It is also one of the longest and largest fort of Rajasthan. It was made in 1459 AD by Rao Jodha. It is carved beautifully. The marbles are beautifully carved. After walking a few miles, we got to see the grand door, and over there we were welcomed by the cultural musicians like in the old times the king's birth. We also saw many things that were the rooms of King Symphonies, Sheesh Mahal, many antiques and the armory they used and many clothes and accessories. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Divya Jadhav. I am from New Horizon Public School, Airoli, and our school has taken us to trip for Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. We visited many places, but one of them was Umaid Bhawan Palace, which represented Rajasthani tradition and culture with some point of Greek style. This Umaid Bhawan Palace was built by Henry Lanchester between 1929 and 1943. It took 14 years. It was made in Greek style as he was a Greek architect. This Umaid Bhawan Palace has 347 rooms, which serves as the royal residency for the Jodhpur royal family. When we entered this palace, we got to know that the door weighed 20 kgs. And right above the door, there was a huge painting of Hanuman, which was made in Belgium glass in Greek style. There were many other paintings, old cutleries, weapons, and many more things which were exciting and thrilling. We got to know more Rajasthani cultural and tradition here. Thank you.
I'm Deepal Kanodia from NSPS, and it is our third day on our educational trip to Rajasthan, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. So far we have visited the Mehrangarh Fort, where we have learned about the lifestyle of the kings and queens of Jodhpur and how they used to be with each other and everything. Then we went to Umaid Bhawan, where we have learned about the monarch of Jodhpur that has established the whole city, his family history. And apart from that, we went to the War Museum where we've learnt about the weapons that soldiers used to use and how they have sacrificed themselves, everything about soldiers. Apart from that, we went to Jaswant Thara, Gadesar Lake and etc. So far, this trip has been very educational and amazing for all of us, and we look forward to making memories. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aryal Venkat and I am a student of New Horizon Public School, Airoli. Today I am here to say a few words on our excursion to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. On day 1, we visited the Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Bhawan and Jaswant Thara, where we got to see the ancient architecture of Rajasthan. On day 2, we visited a war museum, where we got to see the brave sacrifice given to us by our Indian soldiers. We also visited the Gadesar Lake, where we got to explore the vivid markets of Rajasthan and got to buy souvenirs for our friends and family. On day 3, we visited the Sand Desert, where we got to do various activities such as camel riding and jeep safari. So, on day 4, we visited the Golden Fort, where we got to see again the beautiful sculptures and a temple which was so intricate in design. We absolutely loved this trip and we will be taking memories home that we will never forget. Thank you.
On the next day, we went to Jaisalmer and there we went to War Museum. There we learnt about the wars fought by our Indian soldiers. And then we enjoyed the DJ party organized by our school, and that was very nice. On the next day, we went to desert, and in the desert we did desert safari in the jeep, and also we did the camel ride.
My name is Jeet Mehta and I am from Group J. Firstly, I would like to thank NSP for organizing such a great excursion. In day 1, we went to a Mehrangarh Fort. It was marvelous and great with great architecture, and I am very proud of living in India and going to Rajasthan. Such a nice architecture was made. You can see in background the music and cultural program.
The soul of Rajasthan.
It's so pleasant to hear. So love Rajasthan.
It's the soul of Rajasthan.
So love Rajasthan. You must all visit once Rajasthan. It's so pleasant and it's very cool and it's so loving. And we also went to Sand Desert. It's so nice. There are so much adventures to do.
Like
ATV, then camel ride, and paramotor, etc. We also went to
War Memorial.
War Museum, and it was such a pride that Lonchewala War. It's all history about Lonchewala War. It's very exciting. All the weapons that was captured by India are kept in there. We must all visit. Thank you.
Everybody, I'm Master Adi Mehta from 9E from New Horizon Public School. Going to say a few words about the excursion trip we are having. First, when we started with the train journey, that was a lot of chaotic happening there, but well managed by the teachers, and we boarded the train full of fun and lot of masti we did there. Then we started with the first day. We went to the fort and very well explained by the guide we had about the fort and the history of the fort being. Then we enjoyed our lunch at the resort back, and then we went to another fort having to learn about the history of that fort also, which was very good to know for our general knowledge. The second day we went for Lake Mandir, which was also a very traditional way or tradition. Then we got to know about the only stones found in the Rajasthan, the Lux we say, that are very special for Rajasthan. Then today we went to the desert, which was very fun because we had a lot of chaotic rides like jeep rides, ATV rides, and also we had the camel rides, which was very famous in Rajasthan. And yeah, I am having a lot of fun here with the friends also and the group of teachers. Thank you.
My name is Shravan Pawar. I am from grade 9B. We are here at a school excursion in Rajasthan. On the first day we boarded the train on the Bandra terminals, and we enjoyed in the train. On the second day, we went to the in Jodhpur in Mehrangarh. We saw so many architects there, arts and etc. And we enjoyed here a lot. The staff is excellent, the food is good, and today is day 4. And today we went to Thar Desert. We went there and sat on ATV camel. We took camel rides and we in jeeps. We went in jeeps and we also went parasailing. And now we are back in hotel and everyone played football and volleyball and cricket, everything, badminton and. All the sirs were also playing with us. Ashok sir played very well football. He scored 5 goals today, and I'll be enjoying this trip a lot. Thank you.
3. Hi, my name is Arnav Patil. I'm from grade 9th. I'm from NSPS.
And I'm Master Vedant Karangi from grade 9th. I'm studying in URS school.
Are you enjoying this trip, Vedant?
Yes, I know. I'm really enjoying it. How about you?
I'm also enjoying it. Do you remember that visited to the Mehrangarh Fort?
Yes, that fort was majestic, royal. I really had fun.
Do you remember Jaswant It was a memorial made by the people of Rajasthan for the beloved king. The people in Rajasthan still worship their king. Do you remember we had went to Sand Dunes today?
Yes, I remember. And we had visited War Memorial. And that's the reason my heart was filled with pride.
And here we have the magician.
Do you remember we had a magic show?
Yes, that.
And here is our magician.
Here is a magician.
Hello. नमस्कार. आपने हमको बहुत अच्छा शो दिखाया, तो हम आपके बड़े शुक्रगुजार हैं.
Thank you, sir.
ओके. और हमारे बच्चों ने आपके साथ कैसा साथ दिया?
बहुत अच्छा सर.
आपको हमारे साथ शो करते हुए मजा आया?
या सर.
थैंक यू. हम भी आपके बड़े शुक्रगुजार हैं.
And on the 4th day we visited sand deserts. Usually the deserts are lonely, but here there was paramotor gliding, camel rides and jeep riding. It was really fun there.
I think we should thank our school for this fun, memorable experience.
दोनों साथ में. थैंक यू NHP.
Thank you NSP for this fun and memorable visit to the prison. And we would like to visit this once again. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arushi and my name is Shirvani and we are from grade 9 New Horizon Public School, Airoli.
So our school had organized an educational excursion trip to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer.
And we have learned a lot many things in this trip.
Our first stop was Jodhpur, where we visited a number of beautiful places, among which one was Jaswant Thara, which is built by Maharaja Sardar Singh in the year 1899 in memories of his late father.
And our next stop was in Jaisalmer. We have visited many beautiful places in Jaisalmer, but one of them was Gadi Saroo. It is an artificial lake built by the king of Jaisalmer, Ravan Jaisalmer.
Along with visiting these beautiful monuments, we also learned various life skills, one of which is being independent, that is, how one should be able to manage themselves and organize themselves, and also being able to protect themselves in certain situations.
This trip also taught us a lot history about our country, which is extremely helpful in our education.
We also learned how you should cooperate with one another and adjust to the situations which are given to us. We also socialized and made various friends.
Last but not the least, we have made the best memories which we are going to carry forward.
So this educational excursion trip to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer was not only fun but also educationally helpful. And it was a very good start to the year of 2024. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Asmi Marwade from NHPS. Today we are in the 3rd day from Rajasthan in Jaisalmer. We are in a desert doing camel riding and jeep and seeing paragliding.
Parika, student of NHPS Airoli. We are here in Sand Desert. It includes camel riding, ATV bike sightseeing, jeep riding, paragliding, and etc. Riding on the sand dunes is very fun. We all youngsters are enjoying it very much. It will be one of the best memories of this excursion. Please do visit us.
I'm Jia from Group B NHP School. On the first day, we visited Mehrangarh Fort, Jaswant Thada, and Umaid Bhavan. We learned so much about the lifestyle of Maharajas and Maharanis. We learned about Rao Jodha's lifestyle, Maharani's lifestyle. We saw the clothes they wear. We saw Umaid Singh's lifestyle, how they live in the palace, how they used to live in the palace. They fought wars and so much about their lifestyle. And we had so much fun. And today in Jaisalmer we are visiting Sam Desert, and we had so much fun on the camels and ATVs and jeeps. Thank you.
My name is Luke and I am going to speak a few lines about cultural heritage of Jaisalmer. Yesterday in our hotel there was a cultural program performed by some great musicians and they did a really great job. I was very mesmerized by their performance, and there was even a magician who also did some magic tricks, and he did even within a span of time that nobody could notice it. Everybody enjoyed a lot, everybody danced, everybody was singing. It was a great experience. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ritika Jangli.
Hello, my name is Amoli, and
We both are from Airoli, Airoli, Navi Mumbai. So today we are in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and it's our day 4th. So we are in the Sam Desert. It is full of sand, beautiful experience.
we have enjoyed many fun rides like camel riding and desert safari.
It was an awesome ride. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Aditi Kodigar from New Horizon. We have come to the excursion to Rajasthan. We visited the Jodhpur city. On the first day, we visited Mehrangarh Fort, Jaswant Thada, and Umaid Bhavan. Jaswant Thada is based on the King Jaswant Rao. Jodhpur is the city which is 569 years old. On the next day, we took the move to Jaisalmer, and now we are in the Sam Desert. This is the very beautiful desert. I took the experience of camel riding. I rode 2 times in the jeep. It was a very fun experience, and I love Rajasthan. Thank you.
Hello, I, Ms. Ashna Tone.
I, Ms. Tishra Joshi of grade 9
of New Horizon Public School. Today, here we are at the Sam Desert.
and yesterday our organizers surprised us with a cultural program
which consisted of dancers where the teachers and the students of NHP enjoyed a lot. It also included the magician,
which was very fun and shocking. And after that we ate dinner which was very delicious, and this was the end of day 3.
To find out present here, I am Ms. Yashi Kudari. We have visited, a school has organized an excursion trip, educational trip to Rajasthan, Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. Today we visited the Sam Desert. Sam Desert is one of the most authentic desert in the whole of India. The dunes are as long as 30 to 40 kilometers. It is away from the Jaisalmer 45 kilometers. Where you can have camel rides, car rides, parachute riding, paragliding, etc. We have enjoyed a lot there, and thank you.
Good morning, I'm Sahani from 9th in NHP school. So the day before yesterday we visited the Mehrangarh Fort in Jaswant Thada. It was a very incredible experience. We got to know a lot about the Rajasthani traditional culture and the Indian culture. The monuments were so heritage, and everything was just so perfect over there. It was the Rajasthani culture is so amazing, and the monuments were very beautiful with the carvings on their walls, and there was and thank you, it was a very nice experience.
Hello, I am Mali Prashant Sawan and I am Tanisha Shah, the students of New Horizon Public School. We are here to share our experience on War Museum. In Jaisalmer, yesterday we visited War Museum. It was a pride moment for us. We saw bunkers. It is very difficult to live in bunkers, but our Indian soldiers who lived there in that difficult situation made us proud, and we also saw documentary films. This museum is a display of all the previous war which has taken place for the well-being of the Indians, and it also shows magnificent details of the values and sacrifices that all the soldiers have done for all the Indians. After seeing this, my heart is filled with pride and courage.
I am Riva Thakkar from New Horizon Public School, Airoli. We are here in Rajasthan for an educational excursion cum trip, and this was a very great experience. On day 2, in the morning we visited War Museum, and in the evening there was a cultural historical program in a hotel, the Desert Palace, and it was quite fun. There are different kind of people dressed in Rajasthani culture, and they taught us a lot about it, and the dance was quite fun. Everybody enjoyed, everybody got to know about the culture. Culture is a form that everybody should learn, like their historical culture. Everybody should know about the culture and religion, and that we got to know about Rajasthan yesterday. It was very fun. We all had a lot of fun. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
My name is Kavya Doshi. I'm from grade 9, New Horizon Public School, Airoli. So our school organized this education cum excursion to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. Our first stop was to Jaisalmer, where we visited a lot of beautiful places, one of which was Jaisalmer War Museum. It is also known as JWM, and there is a wall, there's an honor wall engraved with the names of Mahavir Chakra and Paramveer Chakra award winners, an audiovisual room, a cafeteria, and a souvenir shop. It is a museum full with greenery. We also visited a small bunker where we saw how the soldiers survived during the crisis. We saw a short film in the audiovisual room. It was really nice, and we saw that how the soldiers fought for us on the border, but so we can sleep safe and sound at our places. It was really nice. Most of us got emotional during the film because I guess we all know that the pain we lose any of our family members. It was a really nice experience, and I'm really thankful for the school to organize this education cum excursion for us. Jai Hind.
Hello guys, my name is Ziya Shetty and I'm the student of New Horizon Public School, Airoli. Guys, we all know how much it is important for each and everyone to know about the historical importance of their own countries, and especially for Indian citizens it is very important as India has rich culture and traditions. For this reason, our school has also organized an excursion to Jodhpur and Jaisalmer, where we revolved around the historical cultures and traditions of the Rajasthan. Our school not only taught us about the significance of history, but they also taught us some values that are needed by every person in their lives. Values like discipline, time management, and one of the biggest, how to stay independently. It is very important for each and every kid of this generation. So I would like to thank my whole school and my teachers who took so much care of us. And I would really like to thank my whole school for organizing such a beautiful trip. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Shia Thakkar and I am the student of New Horizon Public School, Airoli. As we rightly know, the educational trips cum excursions provide the students a great opportunity to know more about the different traditions, cultures and customs of different states we visit. Even New Horizon Public School, Airoli had organized an amazing excursion to Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. There we visited the Umaid Bhawan Palace situated in Jodhpur, a city in Rajasthan. This is a magnificent and the world's largest residential palace. This was named after the Maharaja Umaid Singh, and who is the grandfather of the current owner, Gaj Singh. There is a history linked behind this. This palace was cursed by a saint back then, who had said that they would be facing drought period. Then, after a reign of 50 years, this palace was suffering from drought. To help the farmers suffering there, Umaid Singh made this magnificent palace to help those farmers. It was a great experience there and we all loved it. Thank you to New Horizon Public School and all the teachers for taking care of us and organizing such a wonderful excursion. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Anvi Trupti Saurabh and today we are here at Sam Desert. Day before yesterday we visited Umaid Bhawan Palace. In that palace was very beautiful. The structure, everything was magnificent. The palace was divided into few parts. The current king residence part was there, and there was a hotel, there was a museum, and there was a different section for vintage cars. There were very beautiful vintage cars. We even saw a peacock there in the beautiful gardens of that palace. there were different kinds of interesting things in the palace, like natural AC. There were AC vents, but they were all natural without any electrical wiring and everything. So, and we also noticed fans which were two-winged to keep everything cool and nice. We saw the miniature structure of the whole palace inside the palace. Then we visited different rooms. We visited we saw vintage clocks. We saw the hunted cheetah and leopard by the king of the palace, which was stored by using some chemicals. Then we saw the luxury rooms. We saw its starting price was itself 5 lakhs. We feel very lucky to witness all that. And we also many films shot here, like Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, etc. Even famous celebrities like Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas got wed here. And that's all. The whole experience was very nice and royalty. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, myself Miss Krisha Mittal Sachin Dedia. Today, here we are at this very amazing place, Sam Desert. But let me tell you about such an interesting place we visited day before yesterday. That is Jaswant Thada. It is such an amazing place. It was built in the memory of the late king of Jodhpur, Jaswant Singh. It was built in the year 1899. Here, the ashes of the king are kept in the center and people come here to worship him. He is considered to be the god in this place. Next, it is made up of Makrana marble. This marble is made and also used in Taj Mahal. It has a special property. When sunlight falls on it, it gives a reflection, it gives a pink color effect, and that is just wow. It is so satisfying to see the effects of marble, and the architecture here is amazing. The carvings used for small architectures, it's just so ancient and so magnificent. Lastly, here are the crematorial grounds also of the kings and queens that are previously ruling the city of Jodhpur. This is called the City of Suns, and it was an amazing experience to stay there. Thank you.
Kaila Shetty, and this is Shriya Mokashi, and today we are here in Sam Desert for camel riding, desert safari, and along with fun activities like paragliding. This indeed is an overwhelming experience, and we enjoyed it to our fullest. No doubt, this excursion is a combination of fun along with historical knowledge. Thank you.